Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to create, understand and customize a radar chart in Excel. Radar chart, also known as spider chart, are an excellent way to visualize and compare multivariate data across different criteria. Today we will walk you through the step-by-step process of making a radar chart using sample data, understanding its structure and customizing it to suit your needs. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create insightful radar chart to analyze and present your data effectively. So let's get started. This is the data in which we have three sellers, Alice, Bob and Charlie, and we have evaluated their performance through sales, customer satisfaction, product knowledge, teamwork and initiative. And all these criteria have been evaluated through our quantitative measurements. To make a radar chart, first I need to select this data and then I will go to the Insert tab. I'll go to this Insert Waterfall, Funnel Stock, Surface or Radar Chart option, and then I'll go to this last option of radar in which I have three options. The first one is the simple radar chart, second one is the radar with marker, and the third one is the field radar chart. For this video, I will choose the first one. So this is the first look of your radar chart, but it needs to be customized so that we can get the insightful information from this radar chart. The first thing that we need to customize is this score scale. This scale has started from 0 to 100, but there is no measurement less than 40, which makes these lines more closer at the higher marks level. So to reduce this empty area, I need to customize this scale. To edit this, I need to double click it. This format axis option open. Here under the axis option, I will set minimum to 40 and click anywhere on the chart. Now you can see that the scales are more far apart from each other and we can get some information out of this radar chart. Another thing that I will do is to add the chart title. I will click it and give title to this chart, that is Seller's Performance. While selecting it, I can also go to the Home tab and make it bold and change the font color to the one that I need. Similarly, I can also customize the category labels by selecting them, and then under the Home tab, I can make them bold. I can change the font color and increase the font size. Another thing that I can do is the change of the color scheme. For this purpose, I will click anywhere on this chart and then I will go to this chart design, and under the change color scheme, I can choose the color scheme that I like. I can also go to this quick design option and select any design that I like. I will keep selected the first one. So now our radar chart is ready and you can see that it is very handy to visualize as well as to compare the performance of all the sellers. We can make a very good comparison for different attributes. Like you can see that Bob is not so much good at customer satisfaction, but regarding sales and the teamwork, he is very good as compared to the Alice and Charlie. And overall, the area that need to improve is the customer satisfaction. So in this way, you can see that using this radar chart is very handy to make different comparison and to pinpoint the areas that need improvement. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating and customizing radar chart in Excel. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Radar chart can be a powerful tool for visualizing complex data in an easy to understand format. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Don't forget to leave your questions and comments below and we will be happy to help you out. Happy charting!